Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Audacity in the best possible manner, using the best possible settings for voiceover. So, the first thing we want to do is make a recording. And the first thing I'm going to do is to leave the first 5 seconds free. And you'll find out why in a couple of seconds. So as you can see, I've left the first 5 seconds free, and this is a YouTube tutorial for Audacity voiceover settings in 2021. So now I'll click stop. Okay. And I will go back to the first 5 seconds. Now you should always do this for every single recording you do using Audacity. It's vital. And I'll show you exactly why just now. So I'm going to highlight the first 5 seconds. As you can see, it's silent. There is nothing recorded there. So I go to Effect, and I go down to Noise Reduction and click on Noise Reduction. As you can see, the settings, the noise reduction is at 12 dB, sensitivity is at 6, and the frequency smoothing bands at 3. So then I click on Get Noise Profile. Okay. And then I go back to Select, which will select the entire file. So I click on Select, I go back to Effect, and I click on Noise Reduction once more. This time I don't have to alter anything either. I just press OK. And what this has done, it's basically knocked out all of the background noise or any noise that might have been behind my recording audio. So the next thing you want to do is go up to Effect and click on Compressor to compress the audio. And now, as you can see, the levels I have here, the threshold is -12 dB. The noise floor is -40. I have a ratio of 2:1. The attack time is 0.10 seconds and the release time of 1.0 seconds. I've not clicked on the makeup gain, or I haven't clicked on the compress based on peaks. So that should be absolutely fine. Hopefully you can see that. Click on OK. Fine. And the next thing we want to do is to apply a limiter. So we go back up to Effect and we go down to our limiter. Click on Limiter. Now I've left the first two options for the input gain left and right empty, 0. The limit to dB is -3.50 and the hold MS is 10.00. Apply makeup gain, I've selected no, and I click on OK. Now next, this will vary the name depending on which version of Audacity you have. The older versions of Audacity, it's called an equalizer, and the newer version, it's called a filter curve. So we click on Effect, and I will go to Filter Curve and go down to Manage, Factory Presets, and the first thing I select is a bass boost, and then OK. And once again, I will press Effect, go back to Filter Curve, once again Manage, Factory Presets, and this time a treble boost, and press OK. And then lastly, which you will need to do with everything I think you do on Audacity, for recording you need to normalize. So I go up to Effect, and I will go to Normalize. Here we are. Click on Normalize. I've chosen to click the Remove DC Offsets. I've clicked on the Normalize Peak Amplitude to -1 dB, and I have left the Normalize Stereo channels alone. So I click on OK. So that is your settings. I want you to try this at home and see how you get on. If it works for you, leave a comment in the comment section. If it doesn't, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like it, or hopefully it's going to help you to improve your voiceover quality in 2021. Thank you for watching.